Our study of electrostatics begins with observations about charged objects. A charged object is one that has an unequal number of protons versus electrons. A positively charged object has less electrons compared to the protons. A negatively charged object has more electrons compared to the number of protons, whereas a neutral object has the same number of protons and electrons. This level of detail with protons and electrons is not going to be important moving forward because we'll just say an object is either positively charged, negatively charged, or neutral. If we have two neutral objects and we bring them nearby each other, we don't observe any interaction, nothing happens. We should expect this because most objects we come in contact with are neutral. But if we instead look at oppositely charged objects, where one is, say, positive, the other is negative, we observe that they experience an attractive force. The opposite is true if we have two objects that are like charged, where one is positive, one is negative, and the other is negative. In these situations, the two objects are observed to experience a repulsive force. They repel each other. Charged objects also attract neutral objects through something called charge polarization. So whether your object is positive or negatively charged, if you bring it by a neutral object, each object will again experience an attractive force.